So I've been using this Porter cable stapler. This is a wide crown stapler for 3/8 inch staples. I use T50 staples in it. I've been having some issues with it, so I thought I'd take it apart. But when I took it apart, it's a different design than what I've used to seeing. I also have one of the other Harbor Freight staplers that has the cylinder here, and most every other pneumatic gun stapler has a big ram here, and as you pull the trigger, the air comes in and pushes that ram down. So the ram is actually what's doing the work. But on this one, they're actually doing a mechanical action. So the air comes into this valve and then it comes down and into this smaller cylinder. It pushes this linkage up on this track, which then pulls these two pieces of steel acting as a spring up, and which is also connected to the ram that pushes the staples down. The ram is in the always down position, which I thought was odd, but now it makes sense. So when you pull the trigger, it pushes air in here, pushes it up, and then when this gets to the end of its travel, this mechanism releases these two pieces of metal, and then it slams the staple in. So it's a mechanical operation rather than an air operation. It is quieter to operate. It seems to do pretty well. I would imagine this would work pretty well with a lesser amount of air pressure, but I haven't really played with the pressure. I usually run around 90 psi, but it probably doesn't consume near as much air either. It is slower than a standard air nailer because it does have this mechanical operation going on. But I just thought I'd share this if you didn't want to take yours apart or you've seen these out there. This is what I found.